Hey guys, I just wanted to make a short video on how to refill these new pods, these Vuse pods. I made a little tool here, and what you need to do, there's a lot of ways you can do it with a pair of pliers, but you end up damaging this. You need to take off this little metal piece here, but you end up damaging it because there's a couple of little plastic tabs right here and here that have to be depressed before this is pulled off if you don't want to damage this, if you want to get a lot of uses out of this. So I made this little tool, and as you can see, it's just a piece of metal bent like this. It's about the same width as the pod, and it's got a little square here and here, and what that does is it depresses these little plastic pins. I'll just show you here. Position it there and there on the plastic pins. Give it a little squeeze, and then this just pops out like this without actually damaging that plastic piece. Then you can just simply pop this off. This just rolls out of here, and there's your innards. Grab your juice and fill it up. You can see. There we go. All full. And pop this back on. Make sure your seal fits properly in there. Pop the metal cap back on. And you're good to go. That's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.